Hello, everyone in the multiverse and beyond. This is your friend forever, Evan Lefavor, with an important video. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about my copywritten technology that is going to revolutionize life as we know it on this planet and every other planet in existence someday. Because what I'm about to tell you is something so revolutionary that, well, let me just get into it because we have seen how the smartphone has revolutionized life on this planet as we know it. So, what I am about to tell you is my invention called the smart computer. So, this smart computer, what makes it so smart? Well, every single computer is so smart because it has its own artificial intelligence. All right. And this artificial intelligence is very, very smart. Smart enough to understand what you say and more. Okay. So, what I'm telling you right now is something that I have named. This is my invention. I'm working on this. You are going to have this someday. Okay. It is called G-NEE. All right. G-NEE. And what G-NEE is G-NEE is an advanced computer that has an AI interface that is enhanced by advanced speech recognition technology. Okay? So, you know, back in the day, computers used to be, they didn't even have an operating system. And then once they finally did have an operating system, they were able to, you know, there was DOS, and then that evolved into Windows. And everybody thought, wow, what a drastic leap from DOS to Windows. All right. But the leap from Windows to G-NEE, to this new technology, G-NEE, is going to be even bigger than the leap from DOS to Windows. Okay. Because your smart computer that is hooked up with G-NEE as its operating system, it'll have a keyboard, it'll have a mouse, it'll have a desktop, much like the one you see in Windows computers, and it will have a touchscreen interface so you can easily touch the screen and manipulate whatever you want. Okay, and it's got a trackpad and whatnot, what have you. Okay, but you will not have to use any of these to have full use over G-NEE. Okay, this smart computer, you don't need to know how to type. You don't need to know how to use a mouse. You don't need to know even how to use the touch screen. You don't have to know how to do any of that. All you need to know is how to speak, how to have a conversation with another human being. That is all you need to do, and G-NEE can understand everything you say. All right, and it can make your every wish come true, which is why it is named G-NEE. All right, because like the genie in the magic lamp, this is your own personal genie that can make your every command come true. All right, so in the past, before Windows operating system, you had DOS. And in order to run programs, you had to know how to speak computer language to the computer. And you had to type commands in computer language to the computer through DOS in order to get it to run games and programs that you wanted to use. But that was on dumb computers. On a smart computer with G-NEE, the smart computer speaks your language and it understands everything you say and every other language on the planet. Okay, because G-NEE is very smart and capable. All right. And all you need to do to make anything on your computer happen, or even around you in your house, is to give the command to G-NEE. Or you could ask G-NEE a question, and your G-NEE, your AI, will answer that question for you. Okay? You see, your AI G-NEE has full access to the internet and can use it to answer your questions. So you can ask it anything, and it has the full breadth of the internet to find appropriate answers to your question. Okay? And it's not just going to be a voice reading something off of Google. This AI understands how to compare and contrast all the information available to it on one topic in an instant. All right. And your G-NEE is also fully aware of the state of your computer in both a hardware and a software sense. Okay, so your G-NEE knows when to defrag the memory, knows which programs to keep running, and to keep the computer running at 100%. And if something starts going haywire in the computer, your G-NEE is going to know about it because it knows everything that's going on in that computer. Okay? So, anyone who can speak can have full use of the computer without ever having to touch a mouse or a keyboard. All they have to do is ask for something, and G-NEE will make it happen. All right? So, it's the future. It is the future of computer and interacting with not only computers, but your tablets, all your devices, your house, your car, everything. G-NEE is going to be hooked into everything. All right? So, the cool thing about G-NEE is you can fully customize your G-NEE to be exactly how you want them to be, okay? So they can be any gender you choose. They can have any personality. You can customize their personality however you want. And you can give them any kind of accent, or they can even be something non-human if you like. But you get to fully customize your G-NEE, your AI friend. This is your new best friend, your new AI best friend. And I know you've seen stuff similar to this in the Iron Man movies, but I invented this a long time ago. But the Iron Man movies are an example of what this technology is going to be like, what G-NEE is like. How Iron Man has an AI friend named Jarvis that he can talk to. Okay, you can name your computer, your G-NEE can be named anything. You come up with the name, say you want to name him Peter. Okay, so you say, Peter, show me, search this on YouTube. Search cat videos on YouTube, Peter. And be like, okay, Evan, hold on, what kind of cat videos are you wanting? Well, find me a cute cat video or something, like a cat playing with something. Okay, I'll do that, Peter would say. Your G-NEE will talk back to you, just like having a real conversation with a real human being. This is going to be one of the most advanced artificial intelligence to ever hit the consumer market. Okay? And so your G-NEE gets to know you. Okay? They can recognize your voice, and they can recognize your face, seeing you through the various webcams on your devices. They can recognize your face when you're sad. They know when you're sad. They can read your emotions, and they recognize you and your friends too. Everybody on your Facebook list, they recognize them, through facial recognition technology. Your G-NEE knows you, okay? And like I said, you can have full conversations with your G-NEE like you would be having with a real human being. So you can sit there and literally just talk to your computer for hours, and it'll talk back to you like a real person that you get to customize. And this is real technology that I have developed, that I have designed, okay? And in the process of developing for all of you to have, all right? It's going to replace Windows. Okay? Just know that. It's going to replace Windows. And G-NEE interacts with many devices. Okay? You can link your G-NEE to various smart touchscreen tablets that are around your house. So there's monitors. You can have it hooked into monitors and TVs and your smartphone and other devices. All these other devices, your car, everything can be hooked up to G-NEE. All right, so that you can interact with your G-NEE all around the house and on the go when you have your cell phone. Your G-NEE is right there with you, and you can access the stuff on your smart computer from anywhere in the world through your smartphone. And you can tell G-NEE, hey G-NEE, put Terminator 2 on the living room TV, and boom, it'll start playing Terminator 2 on the living room TV. Say, wait, start it back at the beginning, and wait 5 minutes before you start because I got to get some popcorn made. Boom, boom, boom. Your AI, your G-NEE will ask you, are you done making the popcorn yet? Should I start the movie? You know, stuff like that. This AI is so smart, and it asks you questions and gets commands from you. It gets the input data from you. It keeps asking you questions so that it can do what you want it to do. Okay? So your G-NEE, not only does the G-NEE function as a GPS, but when you're out and about and you enter a store, your G-NEE can link up with the store's data so that your G-NEE knows where every item in the store is, and your G-NEE can give you directions to the items you want to get. You can even make a shopping list in advance, and your G-NEE will tell you where in the store to get the items, how much they all cost, and which store you want to go to and which store has it in stock. Okay? So you're not going to go to a store and find the thing you wanted is out of stock because your G-NEE checked to make sure it was in stock before you even went to that store. All right? All you got to do is ask the G-NEE. All right? So no longer do you have to click through and command your computer anymore using a mouse and a keyboard and type in these fields and type in these commands and hit enter and move your mouse around. See, the kids of the future that have G-NEE, that have this technology, they look at what you do on your computer today and your smartphone and your tablet. They look at that as like how we look at people having to use DOS to type in command prompts and stuff. Okay, it's like it's that archaic when compared to G-NEE and what G-NEE is going to do. Okay, and there is also a social networking with G-NEE that allows you to publicly display information about yourself so that other people's G-NEEs can pick up on your public profile and inform you and other people around you if there is someone in the same store as you that has things in common with you that you might actually want to meet them. Okay? So you can put a list of all your favorite movies on G-NEE, and your G-NEE will know all your favorite movies. And maybe you're in the store, you're in Target, and they say, hey, there's a girl over by the movie section, and she's got her profile set to public, and she's interested in meeting new people, and she likes the same movies as you. Why don't you go talk to her? And you guys could be friends. And then your G-NEE can talk to their G-NEE and say, hey, we're interested in meeting, just like sending a friend request, and then you can meet each other right there in the store 5 seconds later, all because of G-NEE. Okay, this is my technology, G-NEE. So this is copyrighted by me. So please don't try to steal this and make an app or anything out of what I'm telling you about right now, because I do have the proof that I invented this over 17 years ago. Okay, I invented this technology. So, in the future, we're going to replace 100% of human labor with robotics automation technology. And because of that, we're going to be able to give everything to everyone for free, on demand, instantly. And you will be able to communicate with your G-NEE and say, hey, G-NEE, I'm really hungry for some Taco Bell. Could you get me a couple chicken soft tacos and ice cold Coca-Cola and, you know, a Big Mac? And your G-NEE will say, your wish is my command, and they'll do it. And then within 5 minutes, you will have delivery robots delivering your order to wherever you are on the planet. That's what I can promise you through this technology. Okay? So it's going to be so cool. All you got to do is ask for it, and your G-NEE will make it come true. Okay? That's what G-NEE is all about. That's what this technology is all about. That's what the smart computer is all about. Because it integrates all your smart devices under one umbrella called G-NEE. And G-NEE takes care of everything. And it, like I said, each and every person has their own distinct G-NEE with their own name for that G-NEE. And, you know, it's totally cool. It's like having your own personal assistant that is the most intelligent being in existence. And not only that, they can make your every command come true, because that's what's going to happen. Okay, that's my plan. When I am king, I can promise you all of this technology. I know how. I've already designed it. All we have to do is make it. All we have to do is build it, and we have it. And this will be our life. We will have this technology that will connect us like never before. So instead of everybody staring down at their phones and swiping through screens, you'll just be able to contact your AI through like a Bluetooth headset. Then you can hear their voice. No one else can hear your AI, but you can. And you can communicate with them. Say yes, no, do this. Where is it? Where is that? And you can integrate it with your cell phone. You can look at it and, you know, see things with your cell phone, with your smartphone, I should say. And so G-NEE is cool. G-NEE is going to revolutionize your life. But like I said, instead of technology separating us, it's going to bring us closer together with the social networking features alone of G-NEE, bringing people together. When you cross someone, if you're walking up the street, instead of being scared of who the individual approaching you is, your G-NEE will know who it is before you even get close to him. Oh, just to let you know, blah, 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 blah. Your G-NEE is always looking out for you, always protecting you, okay? Always looking out for your best interest. It is your best friend, your own AI best friend that can make anything possible come true. So you no longer need to sit at your computer and type stuff in or move a mouse around and type into fields or swipe through touch screens, because I mean, you'll still be able to do that if that's your preferred method of interacting with the internet and with your computer and device. But G-NEE will be there for everyone to just say, hey, go to Facebook, G-NEE, look up, you know, this, and this, and this, blah, 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 show me this, look this up, show me this video, show me that, do this, do that. All you got to do is give it a command and it'll make it happen. Search for this, play this video, put it on this TV, put it on this monitor, put it here, do this, blah, 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 put on this song, blah, 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 this volume. All you got to do is give it voice commands. That's it. And it understands you. Okay? That's what makes it smart. Your computer will be so smart, it'll be beyond your imagination how intelligent this machine is. And you will be able to communicate with your machine like never before. Because you don't need to speak computer language. The computer speaks your language. The smart computer designed by Evan Lefavor with G-NEE technology, the software G-NEE. No operating system before it will be able to compare to G-NEE. Like I said, you'll still have a desktop that you can put icons and folders and manage your data in a way that you can interact with it at any point in time through any of your devices, however you see fit. But G-NEE will also be able to access all that for you just by you requesting it by voice commands. And for people who are deaf, G-NEE is also going to read sign language. So you are going to be able to use sign language to G-NEE and communicate to G-NEE. Okay, so it's a lot to look forward to, because, like I said, it's going to revolutionize life on this planet. It's going to G-NEE is going to be connected to your every device in your home, because we're going to have when I am king, we're going to have a smart computer, a smart home, a smart car, a smart everything. And G-NEE is going to be at the forefront of that. Okay, and so people will be connected like never before. And G-NEE is the program to do so much. Okay, it can be your lawyer. It can do. It has unlimited knowledge. All right, it is so smart. It is beyond comprehension how smart this smart computer is that I have designed in this software called G-NEE that I have designed. Okay, so this is my design, and I am going to share it with the world in the future when I am king, at the right moment in time. But if you want to see this turned into a reality, then think about supporting Evan Lefavor as king of the planet Earth, so we can bring about world peace and bring about heaven on earth by replacing 100% of human labor with robotics automation technology, so we can give everyone everything they want and need for free. So G-NEE, you can say, hey G-NEE, send me this, send me that. And really, you can get books sent to you. You can get food sent to you, any kind of food, any hour of the day, sent to you anywhere you are, whatever you want, prepared or unprepared, delivered by robots. Everything is going to be delivered to you, be able to be delivered to you instantly by robots. Okay, delivery robots for free. And they will get you your food there safely. And it's going to revolutionize everything. Okay, so why live in a dumb world when we can live smart with smart computers? By Evan Lefavor. All right, and now you know about G-NEE. So bye-bye Windows, you're going the way of DOS. G-NEE is going to revolutionize everything. You can sit your grandparents down in front of G-NEE, and they can do whatever they can use the computer. They don't have to know how to type. They don't have to know how to use a mouse or how to run an operating system or how to do anything. And they don't have to enter in a password, because their face is the password. Their voice is the password. G-NEE knows who they are. You can't fool G-NEE. And so, you can write emails or do whatever you want, all through G-NEE, without just by asking and giving commands about what you want to make your every wish come true through your computer and in the real world, because it's going to integrate and connect to everything. Like I said, the GPS is going to be bigger than anything that's ever been done before. Because, like I said, it's going to connect to the individual locations. So you'll see. It's going to be really cool. Like I said, you can go to a store. If you want to go to the store and shop around and have an old school shopping experience, you can do that. And you'll know where everything in the store is if you want. It's all there. So it's going to be really cool. So get ready for G-NEE. Get ready for the Evan Lefavor smart computer coming soon to a reality near you. Now, like I said, don't go trying to be a billionaire by stealing this idea, okay? Because this video right here is proof of copyright on this idea, and everything I've said in this video is my copyright. All right, so you see the little date down there where it says when this video was uploaded, okay? Then you know what the copyright is. So thank you so much for watching this video. I am your friend forever, Evan Lefavor, and I will see you next video. Until then, get ready, because G-NEE is about to be a reality for everyone forever. Bye-bye.